How to reset your Pinterest password quickly. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Pinterest app on your device. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app Pinterest and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Now click on Login. Now click on the option of Forget Your Password. Now go ahead and type in the email name or username that is linked with your Pinterest account. I'm going to type in the email address. Then click on Send a Password Reset Email. Pinterest has sent the email to the email address that is linked with your account. So you can close this and check your mail. You will be receiving mail from Pinterest. You have to open that mail, then click on the option of Reset Password. Now go ahead and type a new password for your Pinterest account. Confirm new password. Once you are done, click on Change Password. With that, your password will be reset. So this way you can easily reset your Pinterest password quickly. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.